everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to use Meta AI in Instagram. To activate Meta AI in your Instagram, this video is for you. First of all, open your Instagram application and then go to the chat in which you want to activate your Meta AI. Once you are on that chat page, simply type @Meta AI on your typing bar. Then hit on the send button. If it is activated, then there is no problem. But if it is not activated, then go through the App Store and then search for the Instagram and check if any updates are available. If there are any, then please do update your application. After updating your application, if it is not activated still, then this might not be available in your country or region. So in this way you can use Meta AI in Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.